So what we've implemented for the first time in the Ion Chromatography world is full consumables tracking. So not only can we identify some of the electrolytic consumables, such as the suppressor, so that's plugged in via a wire, and then we can monitor the performance and record it directly on the consumable, some of these parameters, how they change over time. The customer can monitor those and see, okay, my performance is changing gradually. I need to identify at this point, that's when I need to replace a consumable. So it's giving the proactive monitoring so that a customer can ensure they don't have downtime. So we have the consumables that are plugged in directly, like the suppressor here. But if we go into some of the other compartments where the columns would be, for example, those aren't directly plugged into the system. So what we have is RFID tags on the columns, and that speaks directly to the system. Again, we're writing information directly to the tags, and we can keep an eye on the performance of the consumables over time. We did a lot of voice of the customer work in defining this instrument, and one of the huge things that they mentioned was that they need to avoid downtime. We're all under pressure to keep churning out results day after day, and so they really need to avoid having downtime in the system. So they love this consumables tracking feature in that they can keep an eye on the system. If they do have some time when it's better to replace out consumables than another, they can replace it when it's convenient for them. Additionally, one of the concerns from customers ongoing is cost of ownership. So of course, you don't want to keep spending money on new consumables if you don't need to replace them. Now, with individual consumable monitoring throughout the whole system, you can identify which consumables might have had a change in performance in the recent time, and just proactively replace those consumables. Everything that I've been discussing is on thermoscientific.com/Integrion. What's great about that website is you can see a virtual demo of the instrument. You can open it up, see how the plumbing layout would affect your day-to-day usage. Another key piece that we've incorporated on the website is application notes, the proof statements. Many of our customers will have been currently using the ICS 2100, and so they're concerned maybe, how do my methods port to the new instrument? Additionally, then you can see some of the other data. You can see like a portfolio brochure to see how the Integrion fits into the whole range of ion chromatography systems that we offer.